goes to couples, married couples here or singles. You need to hear this. He mentioned about secret to enjoy your marriage. Did you know that studies have been conducted already centuries ago? Na kapag tama daw ang ginagawa ng mag-asawa, lumalago ang buhay. May kondisyon. Pag tama ang ginagawa. Okay. So we will talk about your priority. Your priority should be your marriage, your family. And how do we do that? Our actions are based on our philosophy. Did you notice that? Lahat ng pinaniniwalaan natin, doon nagagaling lahat ng ating hugot. No? Lahat ng kilos natin, sinasabi natin, everything. Even the marriage. So kung ano yung environment na kinalakihan mo about marriage, yun ang lalabas na paniniwala mo. Kaya dahil sa Philippines, sobrang trending ang no perfect marriage. No? Sobrang trending yan. No? Filipinos don't believe anymore in perfect marriage. Maybe the reason why wala ka nakikitang example. Wala ka nakikitang modelo. No? Ng perfect marriage. Baka yung pinanggalingan mo, hindi siya environment to see a model of a perfect marriage. Every time I do a seminar sa DSWD, I always ask the couples apply for marriage license. Do you believe in perfect marriage? Ay, wala nagtataas ng kamay. Di pa tapos yung question ko. Umiiling ng gano'n, no? Then I ask the second question, do you really understand the meaning of the word perfect? Baka doon pala may problema na tayo eh. How do we understand the word perfect? You know, during the age of enlightenment, when people started to invent a lot of things to improve our life, that's when perfect word was invented. Saan unang ginamit yung perfect? The word. When a product is being invented, sinecheck yung design, ano? Kapag hindi naka-align yung produkto dun sa design, hindi pa perfect ang tawag dun. Pag tumama na yung measurement, then they call it perfect. Because kapag kontrolado ng tao, you can perfect these things, no? Kapag within your control ang isang bagay, you can perfect it now. Okay? Now, ang marriage ay produkto. Nino? Produkto ng Diyos. Hindi ang produkto ng mga scientists, hindi ang produkto ng mga philosophers, even ng gobyerno. Kaya nga up to now, hindi mo makikita sa gobyerno natin na mayroong Department of Marriage or Department of Family that really takes care of the marriage. Couples na. DSWD for social work. Yes. So, paano nagiging perfect yung marriage? How do you enjoy perfect marriage? Kapag naka-align yung mga salita ninyo sa isa't isa, doon sa design ng marriage. Ano ba design ng marriage? Husband is the ruler. Na kung pinasok mo yung equality sa marriage nyo, magsasabong kayo palagi. Inayos na ng Diyos yan from the beginning. Diba? You believe that also you are, as a wife, you are also a leader, you are also capable of doing things that men can do. Magsasabong talaga kayo. So inayos na ng Diyos yan. Sabi niya sa babae, He will rule over you. Hindi ko narinig kala Buddha yan or kala Confucius or kung sino mga philosopher. Only God, because He is the designer of the product. Kaya pag in-ignore mo yan, araw-araw will be stressful. Sa lalaki naman, pag sinabi ng Diyos, He is your leader, He will lead over you. E pag hindi naging leader yung lalaki, hindi nagpaka-leader, no? Failed to do his role as a leader, the woman will take over. Bakit? The woman is also capable of leading the home. But you will never like it, husbands. Hindi ka matutuwa kapag sinisermonan ka ng asawa mong babae. Hindi ka matutuwa kapag tinuturuan ka ng asawa mong babae. No? You will never like it. You will malfunction. Sooner or later, sasabihin mo sa mga kaibigan mo, habang nagiinuman kayo, hindi ko naman maramdaman na may asawa ko. Bakit? Paano siya lang ang desisyon ng desisyon? Hindi niya ako ini-involve. Bakit kasi ganun, sir? Because you're not taking the lead. You're not doing your role. Kaya she will take over. She also has the capacity to lead an organization, a corporation. Ganun ka-fair ang Diyos? Both have the capability to lead. Okay? So both have capability to lead. Built in yan. Kaya lang, even if you take over your position to lead the house, hindi ka rin matutuwa eh. At sila rin, they will malfunction. The woman will malfunction. Your wife will malfunction. Because their bodies are not designed to handle stress. Tama, girls? Okay. So I hope you understand now the design of marriage. Just feel your words and action to each other according to the design. I am leading the both of you to study more. Okay, if you have a stressful marriage, only knowledge can survive your partnership. Knowledge lang. Wala tayong excuse ngayon. Just Google it. Okay? Everything was already studied. Okay, so let's have this formal blessing. We shall stand.